Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is project number 2 using the Paper Pumpkin August 2024 It's Time for Cake kit. And at the end of the last video, I was supposed to show you the trick using for the spool of the twine, and I realized I forgot. So we're going to do it right now. To stop your spools unrolling, just take a pair of scissors and cut 2 notches in the top of the spool, and then just tuck your ends through and it stops your spool unrolling. So that is the trick. Sorry, I forgot to put it at the end of the last video. So this one, we need the It's Time for Cake stamp, and we need a candle stamp, and we've got our hooray sticker, we've got our banners for the cake, and then we've got our little rose gold fork as well. So why don't we get started? We need, again, one of these little candle banners. Sorry about my voice. It's very smoky. Sorry, it's very smoky here in Alberta, and it's affecting me. So there we go. So we've got that done. And what do we need to do next? Oh, we need to put It's Time for Cake on our banner. So we're going to do this. We're just going to stamp it away to make sure we've got good coverage. And this one's good as well. So just making sure that I do have lots of ink on there. And then we're going to just pop this down. There we go. Okay, so pop those off to the side. Close that up. Now we need to build. So we've got our card front, and it tells us that we need to turn over the candle and the banner and the fork, and we need to put dimensionals on those. So one at the top there, and one at the bottom here, like that, and then 3 across the banner, the greeting. So there we go. It's like that. And then we need to put 1 on the fork and 1 on the handle of the fork, just like that. Okay, so that's done. And now we need to take our layers for our cake, and we need to put adhesive dots on the back of these, 3 on each. So 1, 2, 3. Sometimes I think I could make the videos quicker if I just prepped all this stuff in ahead, but I want to show you how the kits go together right out of the box without, just as if you were making them yourself. So you get to watch me stick things down and peel backings off. There we go. Okay, so we need to build this card. What we're going to do is we're going to take our layers to start with. I'm just going to peel the backs of these off. If you've got a piercing tool or a pair of tweezers or something, it can make it easier to do this. This one actually goes down at the bottom like this, right up to the edge, like that. Okay. The next one in, I'm going to do the top one first so that I can make sure I've got equal layers. We don't want our cake to be off. So there we go. This one is going to go this way because the flowers are kind of growing up, and it's going to go right against the edge and line up straight across like that. Okay. And then the middle layer we'll put in. Okay. Again, right up against that edge, but equal distance between the top and the bottom. So there we go, just like that. We need to put the candle on. Okay, so we're going to put the candle in the cake like that. There we go. And the greeting. This is such a nice kit. It really is. And then we're going to do the It's Time for Cake, like that. And then we put the fork on. There we go. Just like that. So that is our second project in the kit. So stay tuned for that project number 3.